GPT has too much knowledge, too much technology.
Yes.
But it doesn't have feelings, it doesn't have touchability.
There is
for
nothing about the
forming
feeling of
anything.
the
Sir,
hair.
sir, 1 minute. Let me complete my question. Let me complete
what
my answer.
about the
Okay, you
feeling
ask.
of the hair?
Okay, you ask.
Okay.
After you completing your answer,
Okay,
I
okay,
will-
please.
No, my turn?
Please go.
I can ask?
Please go on. Yes.
It lacks human emotion. It lacks sympathy. It would not cry with you like the human will.
We all are here to talk about on AI and ChatGPT. And I searched many answer and on Google, but I didn't recognize any answer. And my opinion is that AI is the second human who work better than human with zero error. And everything has a good side and bad side. You all are you see Google Map is also working on AI. Before time we ask someone to where is the way of that place. No one can give you the accurate way. But in the generation of AI, in the Google will give you the correct way and the shorter way, and where is the traffic are situated. They also give the accurate answer.
Good morning, everyone. This is me, Manyata, and first of all, I would like to thank all of you that today I'm feeling very special that I got this beautiful opportunity to present my views on such a burning topic of all time. The world is being considering about this topic for a long time, and today we got this beautiful opportunity that we can talk in the hall full of eloquent speakers. So before actually digging into the topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Manyata Singh. I just completed my class 12th and I'm from Lucknow itself. So the topic is the artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. So we are both here to talk about the pros and cons. As per my opinion, I feel like artificial intelligence is not really benefiting the human. And I have my certain reasons. The reasons are like, I feel like artificial intelligence, it lacks, it basically results in making people lazy. It lacks human brain, because when we can get each and everything just by a single click, then it can definitely makes us lazy. We cannot able to use our own brain cells, and that's the biggest problem of all time. Even if we want people to adapt into different ways, we still want them to use their own brains. But here now, even if we want to find a new job, we can just could not able to develop our own creativity. We are being depending on this AI, this ChatGPT. And moreover, I would like to say that this AI, this ChatGPT is basically giving us misleading information. We are not really sure about the authentication of these data. We cannot prove it at every point. So it's not really helping us in different ways. And talking about that, yes, causing lots of unemployment as well. So if we say that AI will take our jobs in the near 10 years, so that's true. I think so, like for making, if you say that it will also create job, I think so, like for making a single AI, we need human beings, but for making 5 to 6 more AIs, the AI, that one single AI is capable of making 5 to 6 AI more. So I think so it's really taking our jobs, it's really taking the creativity from the people. The creative people will be left unemployed, and that's the biggest question. And I think so we must eradicate this AI. And this was me, Manyata Singh, signing before you all. Thank you for listening me so attentively, and that was my point. Thank you.
A great good morning to all of you, my friends. I am super excited to be here. And first of all, I would like to say thanks, Mr. Kaif, for having me this golden opportunity. And I am forever thankful for this golden opportunity. And today I present myself. I am Anas Khan, and I am from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. And today we are talking about a very critical topic AI and ChatGPT. Yes, according to me, it's a very good thing ChatGPT for us, AI for us, and everything has pros and cons. And but we have a lot of benefits. In ancient time, farmer had a lot of loss in his crops, and nowadays they have a AI. They can ask question to AI how to grow our crops, and they can ChatGPT. They get them answer, and they can improve their crops. And if we have any query, this is a hub of queries. If we have a lot of queries in our life, and we can easily ask to ChatGPT, and it's helpful. I am doing study, and I have any query, no one tell me the answer, but AI tell me the answer tell me the answer of my query. So it is helpful for us and beneficial also. If I am doing business and I have a lot of loss and I don't know how to grow my business, but there have a lot of answer to how to grow your business. So then that time I can easily improve my mistakes and I can grow my business. It is helpful. And a lot of things we don't have knowledge, and there have a lot of knowledge we can ask anytime and anywhere. It is save our time, and it is manage everything very easily. That is my point, and this was me, Anas Khan.
Hello. First of all, I would like to thank this institute for having me. I am very privileged to have this nice, greatest colleague of mine and greatest sir of mine. My question from both of you, I am at side of anti-AI, anti-artificial intelligence. First, my question to Mr. Rishabh.
Yes.
When you put the points, you tell, he will give the answer without 0% error.
Yes.
How can you say 0% error? We have example. The ChatGPT didn't clear IAS exam of India.
But ChatGPT cleared the medical exam of United States. You can search on it.
We are in India, Mr.
Yes.
We focus on Indian
But
things.
you can give example. You can give example
yes,
of
I can.
anywhere.
Yes, you told na medical exam at United States.
Yes.
Just he took 68 numbers. 68 numbers.
cleared the exam.
If it doesn't have any error, it able to take 100%. Why it took just 78%? It means you have 32% error on it.
Okay.
First question. And second question, Mr. Arsalan. Mr.
Yes, you can ask that.
Arsalan.
Yes, you can add whatever you want.
Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah. You give the point. It's
Yes.
very good to just hear.
Yes.
You said in your speech, when farmer doesn't know how to farm, he asks ChatGPT. You see, farmer
Nowadays, every farmer is very well educated, and their son also educated. They have smartphones and they have knowledgeable. They can anytime ask question and they get answer.
Then how ChatGPT know the value of soil? Because soil and land different in every kilometer, every meter. How ChatGPT
They have
know
data, they have that.
It's Lucknow land, it's Barabanki land, it's Bangalore land.
They have data, they have store. They have input the data, they have everything data. They have store.
Your soil is waiting. You can input the data of your soil is wet or not.
Okay, sir. Please ask me. Please ask.
I didn't ask. I only say that if
Yes,
ChatGPT not know about the data, you can input the data on ChatGPT.
If I want to input the data, I
Yes.
will give my answer directly to farmer. Why I give
Which
first
farmer? No one can know the main serious thing about your crops.
But I don't feel like this.
If my crop is destroyed with the end, I input in ChatGPT. My crops was destroyed with wind. What was the reason and what was the solution of that thing?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe Chat GPT has too much knowledge.
Please share with me.
May I?
Yes.
Let him say. Maybe Chat GPT has too much knowledge, too much technology.
Yes.
But it doesn't have feelings. It doesn't have touchability.
There is no
for
thing about the
forming
feeling of
anything.
the
Sir,
hair.
sir, 1 minute. Let me complete my question. Let me complete
what
my answer.
about the
Okay,
feeling
you ask.
of the hair?
Okay, you ask.
Okay.
After you completing your answer.
Okay,
I
okay,
mean,
please.
No, my turn?
Please go.
I can ask?
Please go on. Yes.
For farming, maybe who belong for farmer background, for farming environment, who better know for farming you need emotion, you need touchability. Without touchability, just for a knowledge you can farm anything.
You are talking about the ChatGPT don't have feeling. But if you have a feeling, and everyone not have time to tell me how to grow my crop. Everyone not have time. But ChatGPT always and every time available to have any query, they get answer. Everyone don't have time. You have a knowledge, you have a feeling to how to grow, and you want to help to farmer, but you don't have time. You go and ask. You can
Maybe
yes.
you are
So
okay.
you are trying to say that this artificial intelligence or Chat GPT will replace the human beings, human emotions, human feelings. You are trying to say this.
Not, but it can understand the feeling of.
How it can understand? It lacks human emotion. It
Because
lacks
they-
sympathy. It would not cry with you like the human will.
Not guy, but they have data. They have
The data would not fulfill all your needs. If you're talking about farming, you're talking about information, and if you lost something in farming, then
at least we have get our answer now. If we have any mistake, we can.
Let me add one thing that you're trying to say that someone's Adan, nobody's there to help him out.
Yes.
Actually, he has somebody or something that's ChatGPT.
If I'm introvert, I'm isolate myself, and no one. I don't want to talk about any person. So that time I can talk to ChatGPT, and it is my best friend of my best friend, because he is supporting me. He is giving me answer.
Of course, yes.
Yes.
And also you go visit many government sites and government's schemes that provide us to information about which regions have more grateful of the crops. Why you use ChatGPT instead of you don't believe in any government schemes and many people's? Why?
Okay.
You say that ChatGPT and AI is snatching the employment.
Yeah.
How can you describe that point?
No, you are in the opposition. Now you
Yeah.
first say why I'm wrong. Why am I wrong?
Telling about this, Chat GTP and AI help you to clear the stopping invention. Which invention is stopped because of any formulas, because of less knowledge. AI help you to crack that type of invention, and invention also give you the employment.
Yes.
As per my opinion, firstly, we are living in India, right?
yes.
And we have here we are already poverty is already being existing in our
yes,
country.
I agree with your
And
point.
if you are thinking like, for example, I am saying these AI, the first attack will be on the creative people.
Yes.
A person who is a photographer, a person who is an editor, a person who is like in a creative field, a model. AI can have the storage of all the things, would make the things clear out easily. So we don't need to pay for a model, we don't need to pay for an editor, we don't need to pay for a photographer. What about their jobs? We are obviously losing our jobs. If we create one AI, it will capable of creating more AIs. We don't have to employ new people. This is what I'm saying, that they are taking jobs.
One of my friend is interior designer. Before they drawing a sketch and measure all things, but when AI comes, they only take a picture and they make all the interior.
After a few years, they don't even need to take a picture.
What?
Everything will be automatic.
Yes.
Currently, he is taking picture. Now, after 10 years, he won't be able to take picture. The AI is capable of taking picture.
No one can see the future. Okay?
We can see that it is harming.
How? With the help of AI.
Even we can predict
We can predict
predict
na.
na. In 2000, I think 2000, internet was also grow. Many people say that. Many people will say that. Internet snatching the employment. What was the internet snatching the employment? Or internet doing more gives us more employment?
No, it is not right that
Yes.
when we talk about the internet in the fifth generation and sixth generation, it give more employment, but it have
But when internet was grow.
let me complete it.
Okay.
But it have many cons, many species of
Everything has pros and cons. Well,
Yet this is
okay.
This is right.
Then
this is right.
you cannot upgrade yourself.
This is right.
You cannot upgrade yourself because of everything have pros and cons.
Yes, I give answer. It's whenever we give depends on the open AI, and it is also make people's lazy.
Depends on you. You cannot fully depends on AI. Why you depends fully on AI?
That's right.
Because we don't have any other jobs. We have to take the help of AI. We have to be dependent on AI.
How
are
you
saying
say
everything
that
is being done by AI.
You can fully dependent on AI?
Obviously,
How-
if I would lose jobs, so what will do?
How
AI
you
will
lose
do
the
na.
job?
AI will do na. If
How
I
you
was a
can say
photographer,
that AI
suppose-
control whole world?
No, I'm not agree with you. sir.
Are you
Sir,
see the
don't-
future?
Don't end
Are you
yourself
see
in
the
smoke.
future?
Don't end yourself in
Are you
smoke.
see the future?
Yes.
We can predict. Don't
How you
end
can
yourself in
predict?
smoke.
Only opinion.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, I want to thank sir for giving me this opportunity. And this is me, Mangesh. I am from Gorakhpur, and I just completed my graduation. And we got a beautiful topic: use of open AI, use of ChatGPT and AI. It is a harm to us. And it is a conversation between two persons, and it's like a persons. Whenever we talk about any question, he give an answer. And I am in the against the AI, because of it not give a reluctant answer. It give only formal answer, and it is not care about the feelings of the humans. It also not know about the situation created by the situation of the human, and it only gave a formal, and it is only gave in the Latin language, and it's gave only for the what you do, and he not tell him the how to do. And also it has no ethical values, and it's give whenever we talk about the what about the ethical value, he give only formal, because of it he no has it has no any moral values. And this was me signing before you all.
Okay.
Yes, I have a question to all of you.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
That is.
Guys, if you are stuck in anywhere, in any place, that time you all are using Google Map. Why are you using Google Map? Yes.
Please give it to him.
Yes.
He is very interested. Yes.
Why are you using Google Map? If it is not beneficial, so why are you not helpful? So why are you using?
Okay. First of all, I am very sorry to say, my colleagues even don't know what is the AI. Google Map is not AI, my brother.
It is yes, based that.
No, not Google Map.
is AI based.
Yes.
No. Google Map launched before the AI, okay? You have any proof?
Yeah, you have any proof of?
Yes, I have proof.
Then show.
Okay, I will show.
It is based on GPS system, not
It is a GPS system, sir.
that is search engine.
That is
Google
It is
Map is
satellite
AI
map.
based app.
No, sir. Google Map is satellite based.
AI also
You need to
working with
understand.
satellite. AI is also working with satellite.
Wow. Everything. For your opinion, everything is satellite. Is chair is me is we are talking in my is related to AI. How is artificial?
Please prove that Google Map is not AI based. Please prove.
Because it's based on satellites.
How you can say that? You can prove that AI is not, Google Map is not based on AI.
How can you say? You
Please
know,
prove.
please define me AI. What
You
is the
can say
AI?
that, you can
Okay,
prove,
first of all,
then prove it.
No, okay, leave it.
You
Please.
can say that, you can prove it,
What?
please prove it.
Okay, I will prove.
Okay.
Please define what's the AI. What's the AI?
Artificial intelligence.
Wow, what? I don't have that.
What?
I have define. You know define means? Define. Elaboration.
Okay.
Elaborate. Definition. Elaboration.
Something working of any intelligence of a machine, it is a AI.
Everything. What's he told? Running a machine is the AI.
Every machine, every machine who work with their intelligence.
Is the machine?
Yes, it is also machine.
Is it AI?
Is it AI?
Something is in phone is AI.
Is it machine?
Yes.
Is it AI?
No, this is not AI.
Why?
Why?
You told every machine who run is the AI. You told, now you told.
You said.
Sir have recording.
Yes. My question is only that Google depends on AI. Google Maps also work with AI. Now you can prove if you can.
First of all,
Yeah.
he he has the argument. He told me Google man has related to AI. When he has the positive side, he need to give up.
You say that you can prove it, then you can prove.
The positive, always in argument, always the positive side person need to give evidence. You know this thing?
Yeah.
But you can say that, na? You can prove.
I am not a positive side, my bro. You are positive side. You
Okay,
need
I
to-
can.
You please you
Yes.
can.
But
Algorithms. Yes.
What?
Google is saying yes.
yes.
Google
What?
is saying yes. Clap. Yes.
What happened, bro?
Like this Google and AI convey the inappropriate.
You can. What? Please. One by one.
Misleading us.
They are misleading.
You only manipulating us. You only manipulating. You have no opinion. Google was proved that AI, Google Map based on AI.
Okay. No answer.
Yes.
We were telling that we don't believe AI knowledge. We don't believe that
We already did that.
the information.
What?
If we don't believe on it, how
You are the more knowledgeable person than Google.
I am not telling like this,
Huh?
but I don't believe to Google.
Then where I prove that things?
Go and
and where?
Go to
Where?
library and put some books
Where?
and show me.
Some book.
Believe.
Google is a combination of every book. You can search on Google. Google can prove you. Google can prove you.
You are
Okay,
not
okay.
trusting it. You know
You
that.
told
One
Google
by
has
one.
combination of every book.
Yes.
There is a information of false also, information of
Yes.
true also.
Then you-
Google is combination of true
I
information
can
also,
show you the
false
proof.
information.
I can show you the proof. You can prove it. Google is wrong. You can prove that Google is wrong.
You are saying that Google is always right.
I am nothing say that
Listen to
Google is right, but I can prove that Google is say correct. You can say that Google is not correct. Say correct. Then you can prove it.
There are some misconceptions which are there. If
Yes.
you ask with the Google, who is the most funniest prime minister in the world, the Google will simply say Narendra Modi. So
But,
is it true?
but Google
It's not
say
true.
everything is wrong.
No, it
But-
is,
but-
totally depends.
How can you say that this answer is wrong?
No, that's why I am saying this, that it is not totally based on AI. It is a GPS
I also
system.
say that. I also say that. When Abdullah said, I also agree. This is also based on satellite, but it is also based on AI. What was I wrong? Say that I was wrong.
AI means something. If you are using calculator, it is also based on coding and some type of algorithm. So you, I'm not talking about that type of AI. I'm saying that the super,
Not only to say that AI, Google Map only based on AI, but Google Map is based on AI.
That is based.
and your question is totally wrong. matlab you are supporting the thing, so you should mention the pros of that.
What?
You can't ask like if you are not favor of AI, so don't use it.
Listen.
This is
There
not
is the
right
class,
question.
and we have the topic. We have only support in AI. Okay. I ask a question and I can prove that. If you deny this is not the good thing, then you can prove it, no man.
No, that's why I am mentioning it.
Yes.
That last point I have mentioned. That AI is,
When we talk about the ChatGPT's authentication data and how to believe that its data is right or wrong, you tell me.
What?
Authentication of data.
Okay.
It is right or wrong? How to we
Google also say the right and wrong things. You have only one who can
is
describe
not
what
answer.
is wrong for you and what is good for you.
artificial intelligence tell me what are wrong with
Listen,
me
but
and what
I'm
are
not
right with
agreeing
me.
that
When
AI,
we choose
AI is
let me
good for
complete.
everyone, but more than people, AI is a good thing for more of the people.
No,